Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my first printer, Bambu Lab A1. This is my first and my favorite printer, and I have printed some of the coolest stuff, and I'm going to show you. I am not a professional at all, but I am trying my hardest. So, whenever I started printing, I just bought the A1. I did not buy the AMS with it. So, some of my prints, I made this really cute owl. It's not a articulated item, but it's a very cute owl with a silk PLA. I've made this. This one's by Flexi Factory. Its legs and walking. This really cute frog. This one took me 17 hours to make. This one is by Deuce, no, I think it's by Deuce Cat. This really cool dragon, which is by Nerd Dad 3D. And this one's articulated. And this really cute cat. Look at those colors. Okay, and everything that I have made, this is not at all. I have been printing for about 2 months and I just decided to make a YouTube channel, and I'm really excited. If y'all can please give me feedback in the comments, I would really appreciate that. Thank y'all so much. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.